1 for bus behavior. Board the bus in order. I'm late. Rule number 2. Arrive early so you don't miss the bus. Rule number 3. Check if everyone is present. Mimi, here. Didi, here. Theo, yoo-hoo. Benny, bah. Felix,
Present.
and Eddie. Eddie?
Ugh.
Eddie, we're doing attendance.
Eddie, here.
Everyone is present. Let's go.
It's me again.
Rule number 4. Everyone must be buckled up.
Huh? What?
Eddie. Rule number 5. Do not eat or litter on the bus.
Sorry.
Eddie, you shouldn't litter on the bus or out of the bus.
Sorry.
It's all right. You didn't know.
Well then, we've arrived at the museum. Rule number 6. Check that you haven't forgotten anything.
Yes!
Huh? Now let's go to the museum. And now we'll see how well you remember the rules. Mimi will check them.
Yeah!
Rule number 1. Enter the bus in order. Second rule. Come early and check if everything is in place. Didi, Theo, Felix, Benny, and Benny. Next rule. Fasten your seatbelts.
Yeah!
No eating or littering on the bus. And check if you haven't forgotten anything.
Eddie!
Huh?
Backpack!
Everything is ready. Great. We can go home now.
Yay!
Ah! Huh? Didi, what happened? I had a bad dream. It would be great if there was a machine that changes dreams. A machine that changes dreams. Fall asleep, Didi. That was a cool dream. This is a very cool dream machine. Woohoo! What kind of dream can we come up with for Eddie? Huh? Let's watch the dreams of other city residents. Let's get started.
Huh? Oh!
What? Let's visit Mr. Wolf. Let's run! I know what Grandpa would like to see in his dream.
No, thank you. No, I don't take any calls.
Let him rest, even in his sleep. I had a cool dream. Me too. Shall we tell them that we changed their dreams? No. It will be our secret. We're going to blow soap bubbles. Yay!
All kids love bubbles, especially these three.
Huh. Woo! Ah! Oh. Mimi, now you try. Thanks! Watch. You have to shake it first. Then remove the cap. Oh. And blow. Oh. Yay! Yeah! Woohoo! It's It's even more fun if you run with them.
Ah.
Oh no! No, we can't have any more bubbles. Don't be upset. Want to make your own bubbles?
Yeah!
Let's see what we need. First, get a little water. Then add a little soap. Take a tennis racket, dip it in the liquid, and try to blow a bubble.
Awesome!
Wanna fly to space in a bubble rocket?
Yeah!
Then we're gonna need a bigger racket.
Whoa!
You have to stand still.
Okay.
Wow.
This is so cool. Ah!
Want to go to outer space? Yeah,
Yes!
of course. Great. You'll need space suits.
Ooh!
Ah.
Woo! Woohoo!
Whoa. Now, let's try to make as many bubbles as we possibly can.
Yeah!
The kids were so busy playing that time flew by.
Oh, the day's already over. I didn't notice.
Neither did we.
But don't be sad. I have another surprise for you. Come here. I'll tell you what it is.
They're taking so long.
Huh?
Oh!
Ah! We played with bubbles today.
Wow! Will you tell me all about it? Thank you so much.
My pleasure. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye. The kids had an amazing day, just like they always do when they use their imaginations.
It would be cool if we turned into vampires. Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
Huh?
Mimi, smile. Yay! I'm a vampire! Hooray! Now you smile too. Hee! Hee! Mm.
Cool. Oh.
Super!
Oh.
Oh! Ta-da! Great! We'll fix it later. Let's go! I'll show you something. Look in the mirror. Ah! Wow! Right, left.
I told you it's cool.
Right, left. I have an idea. Let's run outside.
What are we doing here? We can fly now! Huh? Ha-ha! Wow! Ah! Huh! Come on, Didi. It's your turn now. Didi, open your eyes.
Let's go show Grandma and Grandpa how I can fly.
You can fly.
Yes, and now we are flying to kindergarten.
Before you leave, bring Grandpa some water. I'll drink it later.
Everyone, take your seats. Today, we will learn about hypnosis. Now you know hypnosis.
Now we know hypnosis.
Now, Mimi, you try. You will let us go home. I will let you go home. That's all for today. Everyone, it's time to go home. How quickly the day has passed.
Dio! Didi! Night is coming. We are vampires.
Or maybe not.
Yeah, push. We have to help him.
Yeah!
Whoa! Huh? Woohoo! Stop! Alley-oop! Here's Dini. Gotcha. Gotcha!
Don't touch him! He's our friend! Ah. Let's trade. By the way, I'm Benny. We know. We know. So, how's it going?
The kids can't focus on the nanny right now. They're busy.
Ahem. 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 Miss Moo, are you okay? Thanks, Mimi. I'm fine. How are you guys? What did you make? I made a rainbow. I made a car. So pretty.
Everybody wants to show Ms. Moo how amazing their figurine turned out.
Eddie, what did you make? You're going to love it. It's beautiful. What is it? A swamp monster. Oh, a swamp monster, of course, obviously. Okay, you all did such a great job. You know what that means. That means we can just relax now? Yeah. No, stop. We finished playing with modeling clay, so now we can kick it up a notch. We're going to do pottery. Huh? I'll tell you all about it. Have a seat. Pottery is one of the oldest human inventions. It's the process of creating ceramic items out of clay, like dishes, toys, jewelry.
The nanny explained pottery in great detail, and the kids got started right away.
How about making your own dishes? Whatever you like.
I'll make a plate. I'll make a cup. Me too. Cool. I'll make a fork and a spoon.
I like the idea of a plate. I'll make mine super colorful. Wow! Can I paint mine too? Sure, we can make matching ones. Awesome! I want to make another swamp monster. But you're supposed to make dishes. Fine. I'll make a plate shaped as a swamp monster. Okay.
And they're off to the races. They're all focusing hard on what they're doing. Maybe a little too hard.
So how's it going? We're done! Good job. But how are we supposed to eat out of these? They're too soft. You're not actually done yet. Now we need to put your creations in a special oven. We'll turn the temperature up very high and leave the dishes in there for a while. You can have them back tomorrow morning. Yay!
The kids did everything Ms. Moo said.
Let's see how it turned out. Wow! This is yours, and this is yours. This is Mimi's. Here are Theo and Didi's cups, and Eddie's swamp monster. Oh, finally.
That was another great day. Now the kids can bring their dishes home to show their parents.
Yeah!
Kids, attention. I want to introduce a new pupil.
Huh? Aw.
Barney. Hi.
Hi, I'm Mimi, and this is Theo and Didi.
Huh.
Wanna play with us?
I can't play all the games.
With us, you can play anything.
Huh? But how is that possible?
We like to fantasize.
Uh-huh.
Fantasize, you're flying.
Mm-hmm.
You're flying.
Wow! Let's fly to the clouds.
What a great idea.
Mimi! Mimi? Where are you?
Achoo!
Wow!
Yeah!
Wow! Yeah! Uh-huh.
Wow!
That cloud looks like a rabbit.
That one looks like an elephant.
And over there, it looks like an airplane. I wonder who makes clouds like this. Probably wizards.
Wait. Barney, how are you gonna play?
I will fantasize.
Ah! Yeah!
It's me against all of you.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Yeah!
Now it's your turn. Woohoo! Yeah! Kids, time for class.
How do we quickly get back down?
Yeah.
Barney, now we can play together every day.
And invent new adventures.